Hi, I'm Jamie from FSE, and today we're at Matsuura UK looking at the Exomist 1000 on Matsuura machines and why they increasingly rely on Exomist from FSE for the machine tool mist filtration. Let's go take a look. This Exomist has been integrated back to the FSE chip management system to save you valuable space. It comes with a lockable pre-filter drawer at an ergonomical height, making maintenance easy. With a washable filter and swarf arrestor, trapping swarf chips and protecting the filter from damage. The coolant collected is drained back to the chip management tank or to a duplex drain bottle arrangement. This unit has been interfaced to the machine tool controls and only requires a max power of 1.5 kilowatts to run. That's a reduction in energy expenditure and noise levels. These handy LED lights here tell you when the system's running correctly or there's a blockage. To make it simple, the Exomist efficiently extracts mist and has low maintenance costs. And most importantly, saves you time and money.